Alright, here's my next boiler and engine combination. It's one of my 20-inch boilers. It has an engine mounted on the back of it, the way the old timers did it. This is a 3 horsepower steam engine, and it's driving a alternator, a 90 amp alternator. Also features a water pump, electric water pump. You can run off your batteries. It is AC, so you need an inverter. Pop-off valve is set at 100. I think it's only about 65 or 70 right now. Really nice boiler. I built one of these in 2015. And I just kind of forgot about it. And then I noticed it came up on one of my feeds for my YouTube videos, so I built an engine and applied it to this back of this boiler. The 16-inch V-belt flywheel driving the alternator. I'll turn on the steam. Turn the crank over here halfway. Get some of the water out of it. See the drain valves, drain cocks are open. Wow. Runs absolutely beautiful. Right open there. Beautiful. Charging the battery. I've got my pump, my boiler with a pump, and I've got an AC switch here. Now everything's pumping is going into the boiler. I don't want to overfeed it though. Yeah, see that stream of water there? Now everything's going into the boiler. I'm not going to overfeed too much water, it'll kill the steam. Runs great. Still has my usual blower on it. Gauge reads about 59. Big firebox, 22 inches square. And I've got the exhaust going up the stack. So it's getting draft that way. So you can't really see, it's really hard to see, but back in here, this pipe here goes right into the stack, off the exhaust. This is incoming steam here, of course. Really nice oiler on it, Swift oiler. Really hard to come by. Beautiful. Ash pan is down below. Firebox. If you guys want this, email me at anacortesteam@gmail.com. That's anacortesteam@gmail.com. You can give me a call. My number is 206-948-0770. And I want to talk about this whistle here. It seems like it's not working properly. It's really old. So you have to work it with this valve. I'll leave this valve on. Pull handle it doesn't work properly. It's a nice whistle. Nice little oiler right here for the cross-slide guide. Very complicated building this. I had to have the boiler on its side, face down. Of course, there's nothing on it. And mounted that engine to it. Really hard to do. Took me days on end with all the plumbing and everything. So give me a call if you want this boiler. Another item I did is I put a heat deflector down here, a piece of copper. Keep the belt from getting too hot. Check valve right there, and safety valve right there. Again, my number is 206-948-0770. Thanks for watching. You can kind of hear the exhaust chuck, chuck, chuck up the stack. And on a cold day, there'd be steam pouring out of there.